Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to talk about how to protect your car battery connecting terminals. Okay, right now in previous videos I told you how to measure the voltage of a car battery, then how to remove a car battery, then how to refix. If you want, you can go through the previous videos again. In short videos you can see. Now in today's video we will see how to protect your car battery from getting corroded. Okay guys, before that I kindly request you to give me a subscribe. Okay, now in this vehicle you can see there are two terminals. In the left hand side the negative, and in the right hand side the negative, and in the left hand side we have the positive terminal. Okay, now what is why we need to protect these terminals? The thing is, when we use the battery there will be an ionization of the air around these terminals. Okay, right. So then that ionization might produce a small white color corrosion around these terminals. You might have seen it before. I think you might have seen a white color oxide. Actually that is an oxide. So in this case I don't have any oxides here, but in your car batteries, if there is an oxide layer, white color around these terminals, what you can do? Okay, right. Definitely the first thing, you have to clean the oxide, then you have to apply a protective gel, petroleum grease or something like that. So in case if you are having a white color dust or just like white color salt, something around your terminal, what can you do? Actually, you have to apply some hot water with baking soda. If you don't have baking soda, if you have some baking soda, you just spread some baking soda on this one and apply some hot water. Say the temperature should be about 60 degrees temperature of water, not boiling water. It means about more than 50 degrees. Say the best thing is about around 60 degrees. Apply some water, then the water will wash away the oxide layer, white color oxide. Then you have to refix the terminal. And for further protection of the terminal, what you can do? Actually there are 2-3 things you can do. One thing is apply a dielectric grease. Actually there is a silicon lubricant, that is a type of silicon lubricant, white color, transparent. They are known as dielectric grease. So when you are refixing, after cleaning the terminal, you better apply that dielectric silicon grease. Okay, the second thing, if you don't have dielectric grease, you can apply some petroleum gel. There are some petroleum gel available in the market. Apply on these terminals. Okay, the third and the last thing is the normal grease. If you don't have anything, just for few days, few weeks, you better just apply some grease. Apply a small layer of grease, but this is not highly recommended. The most important or the mostly recommended thing is to apply some dielectric grease, silicon lubricant, dielectric grease. Okay guys, now I think you have a small idea about the protection of your battery terminals. Okay, right. Then if you think this video is valuable for you, you please share this video, and also please give me a subscribe for more die videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.